Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out an absolutely beautifully restored red on red 67 Mustang Coupe. Just a fantastic car, new chrome, really, really nice paint, really crisp body lines. And I love the red interior. It's got the overhead console too, which is, you don't see all that often in these Mustangs. Excellent headliner.
It's original color too.
Original candy apple red.
Factory candy apple red car. The coolest part of this one is the history, Dalton. The previous owners owned this for over 40 years.
Really?
Yeah. He had it all restored. I'll have to check. I put it on the website description. I think it's like 15 to 20 years ago.
Nice.
And it's absolutely gorgeous.
I almost wouldn't believe it was that old of a restoration. It looks
but
brand new.
But they didn't hardly drive it.
Yeah.
I mean,
and that's, to me, that's always a bonus. When you have a restoration that was done 10, 15 years ago and it still looks fresh, it tells you the restoration was a great quality and the guy took great care of it.
Yeah, they didn't drive it a ton afterwards. I mean, they were older, obviously, if they've had it for 40-some years. But power brakes, power steering, awesome. 289 two-barrel, still all factory, and that's what they left in there. We did go ahead and had the carburetor rebuilt on it. So that's been done, went through the brakes, balanced the tires, just did everything that we always do to all these things and just make them great. But the paint on this is excellent, absolutely gorgeous.
And the engine bay is just looks killer, you know, just correct.
Yep.
Inner frame.
The factory C code. Yep. Factory 289. Here's look at the bottom side of the hood. Now all our jams are this way. The trunk, the inner fenders. Here's a good thing to look at. I don't know how many times people tape this off, or you'll see kind of a half-ass paint job, and this will all be black.
You can tell.
You know
the
what I mean?
Were off when they
Everything was taken apart, painted properly, put back together.
And they did a nice job when they put it back together. The gaps on it are great. Yeah, the front bumpers like new.
You get what you pay for on this one. Just a nice car you can jump in and take to a car show with some pedigree of the original color, the original ownership. Tires look like they're in great shape as far as tread-wise, and the style steel wheels, you can tell they were brand new and done right as well.
Yeah, the hood fits excellent. All the way around, front fender's beautiful. Yeah, and I like the style steel wheels.
So we put new wheel well trim, new rocker molding on it. It's got dual exhaust. Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage photos as well.
Really nice straight body. There's one little air bubble or something right there.
These doors are amazing, though. The way this front edge of the door fits to the front fender, and how about the back door to the quarter here? As we open the doors up, it's never had any seam seal or body filler here. It is a T code, which is our factory red car. As far as the interior code,
you can tell that's the original trim tag in it.
Yeah, it is.
Because it paint's been wore off. Because you can get these reproduction. That's definitely the original.
Yep. Rubbers are nice. Just even little stuff like this. You want to look. Just little things like that is the quality of how this was done.
It's got the Deluxe Interior. Yeah, door panels are excellent.
It's got the GT interior is what it's got.
It's almost
all
like
that.
Those seats almost look original when you look at some of the
these are
stitching.
These are different seat backs too. That's a GT seat back. Do you see the difference? The Deluxe I thought it was GT because a lot of the Deluxe is wood grain, doesn't it?
I think in 67.
I don't know. I think it was GT interior, but anyway, it's got the factory Mustang sticker even in the jams. Original steering wheel.
Overhead console, the headliner is excellent.
That's rare too, to have a factory overhead console is very rare.
Back seats are great. Back package tray is nice. Even your trim around the windows and all that is in really nice shape.
Back package tray, it looks nice. As far as our back here in the trunk lid area, that lines up great on both sides as well. All the trim's new on the back bumper. Looks like the trim around the tail lights is all new. But this is original. This has got just a few little wear spots on the glass.
This trim actually might be original. It's really nice.
That is on this side, but this side I thought...
Just nice and clean, though.
It is. It is original, but it's freaking nice.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just the quality of the jam paint, new rubbers. Looks like we got a 6 just change here. It's original paint here, D. Original candy apple red.
Nice.
All this
Nice
is
and
all
solid.
original paint. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh?
It is cool.
Sound
Great
deadener,
car.
spare.
Passenger side's really nice and straight as well. Quarter looks great. Passenger door fits excellent. Again, rust-free doors. Corner of the door there's never had any work. Really nice.
They
and
even went and
clean.
put all the correct stoppers
Yep.
in.
Door panel looks good. Passenger seat's in excellent shape. Dash looks good. Let's drive it, shall we?
Let's do it. The young son taught me something today. I know all the GTs have this interior decor group too, which will all be the stainless, but you were right, D. It is the interior decor group, so it's a deluxe interior.
Yep,
is
just
what
the
this
deluxe
is.
interior. It's,
Yep.
it's probably the original. Like when you look at the seats and stuff, they really nice. But
Yeah, it's super nice. All right, let's check out what works, what don't quick. Here's our radio, and it's got, like I said, speakers in the back with
Star 106, it's
Sounds good,
Molly
too.
Petty here with you.
Sounds really nice. Horn works good. Gas gauge works. We're just below the full. Wipers work great. They are 2 speeds. They both work and park correctly.
your map light.
One of them does.
One
One
of your
doesn't.
map light.
Yeah.
The
The overhead console's in great shape. The headliner's immaculate. This is just a really, really nice car, you guys. Whoever buys this is gonna love it. What else we got? Clock works still. All right.
Really?
Yep.
Don't ever see that in a Mustang.
No. Heater fan works great. We got it on heat on the floor right now. It works awesome. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up.
Sounds good.
It really does, especially now that we got that new carburetor, rebuild on that. Oil pressure gauge is coming up. Alternator gauge works. Gas gauge, as I mentioned, works. It's a weird looking car that'll hump
It's a
back.
weird looking car. We bought her.
Pretty cool though.
We're not talking about this car. This
No.
car, there's nothing weird about this.
No,
That was the old humpback you see driving down the road.
37 Ford Street Rod. All right. Really runs nice. The boys fixed the kick down as well, so the kick down on the transmission works great. Here's your brakes. After we got done with it, no pull left or right. The steering wheel's nice and straight, and our brake pedal with those power brakes is way up high. Turning signal indicator works on the dash both ways. Rear view mirror is nice and tight. Carries good oil pressure. Temp gauge we'll kind of let you know in a little bit here. It looks like that's starting to come off the C as well. Turning signal cancels.
Excellent. That's good.
It really does. There's your kick down from third to second. This thing hauls, man. Look at this. I'm impressed. Speedometer works 70 mile an hour just like that. Goes down the road great. This is just a quality Mustang for somebody to jump in and enjoy.
Absolutely.
Take it right to a show, cruise, whatever you want to do with it. But it's going to win some trophies at your next show.
Yes.
Factory red on red car. Look at your brakes. I mean, it's with the power brakes as good as they are, power steering. I mean, man, woman, whoever wants this can jump in and drive it.
100%.
Hell, I think I can talk your mom into buying this one.
Absolutely. Yeah,
You know what I mean? It's just got the right colors.
Yes.
It's classy. It's something you can have fun with, but yet really, really nice. And we were just talking to a customer that was just saying, you can't build a car for anywhere close to you can buy a nice one.
Nice one done.
Right, a real nice one like this one. So
Yeah.
you can go and buy a $20,000, $25,000 coupe, but you can't restore it for another $15,000.
$40,000 doesn't go a long way on a restoration.
No,
You know,
it
we
really
can get
doesn't. Especially this quality. A lot of people pay 20 grand for a nice paint job anymore.
Yes.
All right, so runs good, drives good. The 2-barrel, it's got plenty of power. Sounds good with that dual
Temp
exhaust.
gauge works. Everything works. Even
Yep.
the body. Great car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. If it's something you want in your garage, give us a call. We'll see you on the next test drive.